Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series rear bumper, updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove interior trunk trim panels to access fasteners, then locate and remove license plate screws and wheel arch liners. Keep hardware organized in labeled bags. Work on one side at a time, gently prying clips to avoid breaking them, and have a friend support the bumper during final removal. Next, focus on all fasteners and clips that secure the bumper. Start with external bolts and license plate screws, then open wheel arches to expose inner screws and plastic rivets. Use a trim removal tool to gently unclip plastic retainers and keep bolts separated by location for easier reassembly. Inspect clips for damage and replace any that are brittle. Work methodically around the bumper perimeter until it releases from its mounts and support points. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs surprisingly well with DIY projects and budgeting for repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Fasteners removed. Address electrical connections and final clips before full detachment. Unplug parking sensors and fog lamp connectors, then have an assistant support the bumper edge while you free remaining clips. Gently pull the bumper outward and upward from the rear, feeling for any resistance from hidden retainers. Once free, place the bumper on a padded surface to avoid scratches. Inspect mounting points and replace broken clips or hardware before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.